Japan is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, where rivers, mountains, and the sea sum together in perfect harmony. The rivers of Japan flow greatly through towns and countryside, offering a sense of peace and secret sincerity. Their crystal clear waters reflect the surrounding clear blossom in spring and vibrant autumn levels creating picturesque sequence. The mountains of Japan, including the icon Mount Fuji, are majestic and the wind in sky, covered in snow during the winter and lush greatly in summer. These mountains are not only a source of natural beauty but also a symbol of